My name is Joe Bankovich. I'm the Global President of Sales for Nova Eye Medical, and thank you for having us at AAO. We're launching in CE marked countries a brand new product called iTrack Advance. iTrack we've had a long history with a product named iTrack, the original device, for about 12 years. We're bringing a new device into the marketplace, and we're launching it to European, South American, Canadian doctors at AAO. Canaloplasty right now is a very, very popular subject within glaucoma, especially in the MIG space. And we are the original canaloplasty device. Our device just wasn't easy at the time. So what we're doing is we're bringing a new product and one-handed injector that will bring the catheter in. It'll do a complete 360. It'll be under high pressure, high volumes of viscoelastic, and do a complete 360 circumferential with one slide of a slider. And as you pull it back, you'll viscodilate through the collector channels, trabecular meshwork, and Schlemm's canal. Again, there's a lot of products that have recently entered this marketplace, but when you talk about true canaloplasty, again, that delivering under pressure in 360 degrees, there's not very many products on the market that can do that. And we have 12 years worth of clinical data that shows that the efficacy with this product is exceptional. We've now made it easier to use with the safety of a flashing red light, so you always know where you're at in the canal.